Success Review Highway.
We're unboxing the black Google Review stand from Review Highway, a great tool to help your business collect significantly more reviews. It comes in 1, 3, or 6-pack options. Setup is simple with a quick start instruction card that gets your stand activated in about 2 minutes. The card also includes a link to a detailed setup guide and Review Highway's support page should you need any assistance. The back of the card provides info on extra account features including statistics analysis and sharing to your social media accounts and more. First, we peel off the protective film from both the back and front of the stand, which shields it from dust and scratches during shipping and handling. Once removed, it unveils the stand's premium polished finish. Measuring 3.5 by 5 inches, this larger than average stand is made from thick, high-quality acrylic with a sturdy base to prevent tipping. To activate our stand, we tap it or scan the QR code with our phone. This directs us to the account creation page where we enter our name, email, and password. Upon logging in, we use the Google Maps lookup tool to enter our business name and city. The system swiftly locates our business and links the stand to its Google reviews. Our account now displays the configured stand. Additional devices can be activated by tapping or scanning each one. We log out and it's ready to go. Our stand now connects directly to our Google Business Reviews.
Skyrocket reviews. Tap into Success Review Highway.